Okay, this is the Honda CBR 250R. We're going to do a little work on it this afternoon. We're going to remove the stock pipe, just the can, not the full exhaust, and get rid of this big fat monstrosity here and replace it with a aftermarket product called the, help me out here again.
Growler.
Yeah, MBG Growler. No.
MGP.
MGP Growler.
Right. Close enough.
Right. So it'll look much better when we're all said and done. And we're going to go ahead and let you know what it sounds like right now, stock. Bring it over here. Okay, and now we got to go into surgery, so scrub up.